reach the sun. No name, no home, just the road to run. Every day was a question, every night a test, till I saw a man walking, calm in his breath. He didn't call me, didn't ask me to stay, just walked with a silence leading the way. But something inside me already knew this was a road I was meant to choose. No leash, no promise, no reason why, just a steady heart and an open sky. So I walked step by step, mile by mile, through burning days and freezing nights. I want food, not for fame, but for the peace I saw it in his name. I'm just a dog with dusty feet, but I learned what it means to walk for peace. They call him Bhikkhu Paññākāra. He walks like the world isn't pulling him apart. Every step of prayer, every breath of vow, teaching me more than words ever could now. When he stopped, I stopped. When he said, I lay down. When he chanted, the whole world slowed around. I didn't need to understand every sound. I just felt the ground soften under us now. I wasn't lost anymore, I wasn't afraid. The road itself had taught me how to stay. So I walked through cities and fields of pain, past open hands and falling rain. I walked where the broken pray, where hope still breathes in quiet ways. I'm just a dog with a faithful heart, but peace found me when I chose to start. Unannounced and real. They say I'm following a man, but I think we're following something bigger than that. A dream where no one walks alone, where even a stray can find a home. I don't know Washington. I don't know how far the road goes, but I know this: when he walks, the world feels lighter. So I walk till my legs say no, till the road runs out, till the last sunset glows. I walk with the calm I've learned, with every bridge crossed, every lesson earned. I'm just Aloka, born from the street, but my dream is simple: to walk beside peace. If you see us coming, don't bow to me. Just breathe, slow down, and walk gently. Because peace doesn't ask who you are, it asks, will you take the next step?